Today I'm going to be unboxing a Keep-On SD and micro SD card reader. Bought this today. This is from Walmart. It's just a simple USB connector that I can adapt an SD card or micro SD into the card reader so the cards can be read. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Simple, just by pulling it that way and sliding out the FCC won't let me be compliance. Put that to the side, read that later in the restroom. I'm just going to go ahead and slide this. Now some of the specs that this has, I need to go over. It has SD and SD micro card reader, connector, and combo USB micro USB connector, 2 USB cap covers, supports SD, micro SD, mini SD, MMC, MMC micro, and MMC mobile cards. Nice to know. It's you can use this on a PC, Mac, and Android compatible. So those are some of the fun facts about this. So let's take a look at the card reader. On the side, it shows SD, so you can slide an SD card in here. You can slide the micro SD card in this slot right here. The slot for the SD card is actually larger than the micro SD slot. On this side, it has a USB-C underneath the cap. I'm going to go ahead and pull out the cap. And this is the this is the USB-C connector. Good to know. And on this side, it has the USB micro USB connector. I'm going to go ahead and pull that off and let you see that. So this is the USB, and then if you want to, you can slide this off, I believe. Somehow it comes off. I'm not sure exactly how to get it yet. Oh yeah, just pull that back and it falls off right here, and it has the micro USB connector right here where you can slide it in. Or you can close this and go back to USB, and it snaps back into place. And this is the card reader from On. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.